ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1B, part 34. Last part completed second order derivative introduction, definition and formula completed, and some problems also be completed in only 2 marks problems. Today class explained 4 marks or 2 marks problems both. First problem of today class: if y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n, then prove that x square into y double dash is equal to n into n plus 1 into y. Here y double dash nothing but second derivative. First of all, you have to take one. Here you have to take given that y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. In this function, derivative on both sides with respect to x. First step, you get what? d by dx of y equal to a get comma d by dx of x power n plus 1 plus b into d by dx of x power minus n. You can separate derivative. Here two derivative having sum of the two functions. After that you can separate it. Then dy by dx is equal to a into x power n plus 1, nothing but you can use x power n derivative. What is the derivative of x power n? N into nothing but n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 minus 1 plus b into, once again you can use x power n derivative minus n into x power minus n minus 1. Understood or not? X power n derivative what? N into x power n minus 1. Here n value is n plus 1. N value is n plus 1 minus 1. Here n value is minus n. Here n value is minus n. You can write that one. Right. Next one is what? Here dy by dx nothing but you can write y dash. Y dash equal to a into n plus 1 x power plus 1 minus 1 get cancel x power n. Plus into minus, you can write minus bn into x power minus n minus 1. After that, once again, derivative with respect to x. Once again derivative, second order nothing but 2 times. That's why you can write d by dx of y dash equal to a into n plus 1. These two terms are which terms? Constant terms. Common d by dx of x power n minus b into n constant terms d by dx of x power minus n minus 1. After that you can write y dash. Y dash derivative is what here? Y dash derivative, one time derivative y dash, second time that the derivative is y double dash is equal to a into n plus 1 x power derivative n into x power n minus 1 minus bn into x power n derivative. Here this value is minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 1 minus 1. You get what? A into n plus 1 n into x power n minus 1 minus bn into, in this two term you can common minus, you get minus of n plus 1 x power minus n minus into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 you get minus 2. This can be written as a into n plus 1 into n into x power n minus 1 minus into minus plus b into n into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. This is the value of y double dash. After that we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is x square into y double dash. X square into y double dash. X square into, what is the value of y double dash? Y double dash value is this one. You get what? A into n plus 1 into n into x power n minus 1 plus b into n into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2. This total value is of y double dash. In this, suppose we have to take this is equation 2. From equation, this is equation 1 since equation 1. After that, multiply this one a into n plus 1 into n into x power n minus 1 into x square plus b into n into n plus 1 into x power minus n minus 2 into x square. After that, you can write a into n plus 1 into n x power bases are equal, power should be added. You get what? N minus 1 plus 2 plus b into n plus 1 into x power bases are equal, power should be added minus n minus 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Remaining one a into n plus 1 into n into x power minus 1 plus 2 you get the plus 1 plus b into n into n plus 1 into x power minus n. See students, in this two term which term is cancelled? Which term is common? N into n plus 1 is common. N into n plus 1 is common. Remaining here a into x power n plus 1 is there plus b into x power minus n is there. This is what? This is question or answer. Y is equal to a into x power n plus 1 plus b into x power minus n. This is the question. You can write in this place, you can y. After that you can write n into n plus 1 into y. This is the RHS part. Correct or not check students. N into n plus 1 into y. This is RHS. This is very important problem in 2 marks. Sometime coming to the 4 marks double derivative or second order derivative. This problem impounded 7 marks unexpected question. Sometimes coming to the 7 marks in IB examination. What is the problem? If a into y power 4 is equal to x plus b whole power 5, then prove that 5 into y double dash is equal to y dash whole square. First of all, you can write this one is given that a into y power 4 equal to x plus b whole power 5. After that, you can write y power 4 equal to x plus b whole power 5 by a. This a comes to right side, that is by a. After that, y equal to x plus b whole power 5 by a all power. This 4 power 4 goes to right hand side, all power 1 by 4. Nothing but y is equal to x plus b all power 5 all power 1 by 4 all by a power 1 by 4. Here x plus b all power 5 by a all power 1 by 4 is there. This 1 by 4 you can separate a numerator and a denominator. This one. After that y is equal to here 1 by a power 1 by 4 is a constant. You get common. Remaining you can write x plus b all power a power m all power m a power m into n. 5 into 1 by 4 you get 5 by 4. First you can derivative first term. What is that? First term derivative on both sides with respect to x. d by dx of y is equal to here 1 by a power 1 by 4 get common. D by dx of x plus b whole power 5 by 4. Here you can use u power n formula. D by dx of u power n. What is that formula? N into u power n minus 1 into d by dx of u. This is the formula of u power n. Here this total u, this one is n. You can write u power n formula. What is that formula? D by dx equal to 1 by a power 1 by 4. D by u value n into nothing but 5 by 4 into u x plus b all power n minus 1 5 by 4 minus 1 into derivative of x plus b. Why? Because here in place of 2 x plus b there, that value we can write simpler. Once again derivative that value x plus b. You get what? 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power. You have to take LCM 5 minus 4 by 4 into x derivative 1 plus b. B is what here? B is constant. Constant derivative is 0. That's why 1 plus 0. 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power. 5 minus 4 how much? 5 minus 4 1. 1 by 4 into 1 you can write that is also be similar answer. This is the d by dx nothing but y dash value. Once again derivative with respect to dx. Once again derivative you get what? D by dx of y dash is equal to 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 get common. D by dx of x plus b whole power 1 by 4. Okay students, understood or not? This is the y dash. This is the first derivative. Here y double dash is there. That's why you can derivative once again. D by dx of y dash nothing but y double dash 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4. Here u power n formula. What is that formula of u power n? N into u power n minus 1 into d by dx of u. What is the value of n? 1 by 4. X plus b whole power n minus 1 nothing but 1 by 4 minus 1 into derivative of x plus b. You get what? Y double dash is equal to 5 by 4 4 just 16 into a power 1 by 4 into x plus b whole power. We have to take LCM for 1 minus 4. After that, x derivative is 1 plus b. B nothing but constant derivative is 0. You get what? 5 by 16 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power 1 minus 4 how much? Minus 3 by 4. 1 plus 0 you get 1. This is the value of y double dash. You get y double dash. After that, you have to take LHS what? What is the LHS what? LHS what is 5 of y into y double dash. 5 into y value. Y value what here? Here y value what here? This is the value of y. Suppose this is we have to write equation 1. This is we have to write equation 2. This is we have to write equation 3. From 1, what is the value of y? Y value is 1 by a power 1 by 4 into x plus b whole power 5 by 4 into y double dash. Y double dash from 3 you can write y double dash value 5 by 16 into a power 1 by 4 into x plus b whole power minus 3 by 4. Since this y value coming to the from equation 1 and y double dash coming to the equation number 3. After that 5 into 5 into 5 by 16 into a power 1 by 4 a power 1 by 4 you can write a power 1 by 4 whole square. A power 1 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 a power 1 by 4 whole square. 5 into 5 you can write 5 into 5 similar. 16 also be constant common remaining order. Here x plus b is there, here x plus b is there, here bases are equal, power should be added. You get what? X plus b whole power, here power is 5 by 4 minus here power is 3 by 4. After that, this can be written as 5 square by 16 nothing but 4 square into a power 1 by 4 whole square. Understood or not students? 5 square nothing but 5 into 5. 4 square nothing but 4 into 4. 4 into 4 how much? 16. A power 1 by 4 whole square is simple as this. X plus b whole power. Here you have to take LCM for 5 minus 3. 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 whole square. Why? Because you can write whole square. Here square is there, here square is there, here square is there. Total you can write whole square. That is also be similar. After that, x plus b whole power 5 minus 3 nothing but 2 by 4. 5 minus 3 how much? 5 minus 3 2 by 4. After that you can write 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 whole square into x plus b whole power 1 by 4 whole square. Correct understands? A power m whole power n formula is what? A power m whole power m formula. A power m into n. This formula you can write. M value is 1 by 4, n value is 2, get 2 by 4 similar. Here square is there. You can write total value 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power 1 by 4 whole square. Here square is there. Here square is there. You can write all values whole square. What is this value? This value is y dash or not check. What is the value of y dash? Y dash value is 5 by 4 into a power 1 by 4 x plus b whole power 1 by 4. This can be written as y dash whole square from equation number 2. This is a very important problem in 7 marks unexpected problem.